Before we have discussed about the midpoint of a line segment joining any 2 points. A and B is a line segment and you want to find its midpoint. Let us mark it point P, and the point P midpoint is given by the formula x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. These points will be given maybe 3, 2, 4, 5, and we can just put the values and calculate and we can get the midpoint. We have discussed it before. Then another formula we have here is a section formula. Section formula is you want to find a point P anywhere in between A and B, may not be in the middle, anywhere in between A and B. Then one part we take it M, the other part is N. It will be given, section formula, it will be given in a ratio M is to N. It will be given maybe 2 is to 3, 3 is to 2, the numbers will be given. And you will be asked to find the point P, and in that case point P is given by mx2. See, this is mx2, nx1 opposite, mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, and here my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. You have to keep in mind this is m. If it is x1 y1, m, x2 y2, distance is n. Then formula is m x2 n x1 opposite, m goes with x2, n goes with x1. Same way m y2 plus n y1 by m plus n. This gives the section formula. The first formula is to find the middle point, the point which is exactly in the middle of line segment A and B, and second point is to find any point P in between for which the ratio will be given in the question. And now the question number 11 we are going to solve from your textbook using section formula. Question number 11 is here. You say question number 11 solution. It is the end exercise of the first chapter, and question number 11 you go through. It is given like this: P and Q are points of trisection on AB. It is like this: AB is a line segment. AB points are given. A is 4, 7 and B is 16 minus 2. So we mark like this: one point is x1 y1, other point is x2 y2, and the point P and Q are in between. You see, point P and Q are in between. They're in such position that they divide into 3 equal parts. Trisection means dividing into 3 equal parts. So this is one part, AP one part, PQ another part, QB another part. So how many parts? 1, 2, 3. So P and Q dividing into 3 parts. So P and Q are called points of trisection. And you are asked to find point P. There will be 2 cases. One is for P. You see, when we take P, this side will be M and this side will be N for P, and it will be, this side will be 1, this side will be 2. It is not given in the question. We have to understand from the diagram. You see, this side 1 part, this side 2 parts for P. So for P, M is to N, ratio we are getting 1 is to 2, and we have the formula for P: M x2 plus n x1 by m plus n, m y2 plus n y1 by m plus n. All the values are there. You see, we can find what is the point P. M is 1 into x2, x2 is 16 plus n, n is 2 into x1, x1 is 4 by m plus n, 1 plus 2. Same here, m y2, m is 1, y2 is minus 2 plus n 2, y1 is 7 by m plus n, 1 plus 2. We can calculate and get the value. You say what it is. Point P. P is just writing to signify the point, represent the point P. It is not a algebraic, it will be not be in calculation. Okay. So 16 plus 8 by 3, and here it will be minus 2 plus 14 by 3. You can simplify what it is. Then when we take point Q, you see, I am drawing the same diagram again. When we draw for point Q, same diagram for Q, A, B, P is here, Q is here. When we make Q, then you see this side will become 2 and this side will become 1. So n will be 1, m will be 2 now. So this side 2, this side 1, this side 2 parts, this side 1 part. It is not given in question, you have to understand. So first for P it was 1:2, and now for Q 2:1, and other everything will remain same. A point is 4, 7, it is x1, y1, it will not change. B is 16 minus 2, it will be x2, y2, and then for P m:n ratio is changing, it is 2:1. And then you can find out Q, same formula exactly, m x2 plus n x1 by m plus n, m y2 plus n y1 by m plus n. All the values are there, x1 y1, x2 y2, m, n, all the values are there. You can put the values and you can calculate exactly same as you did in the first part. The only thing is, you see, for P ratio is 1:2, this side 1 part, this side 2 part, and for Q it will become 2:1, and other things nothing will change, points values exactly same.